How to use Ad Creative AI Beginner's Guide. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AdCreative.ai powered by AI trained for ROI. Okay, you can transform ideas into high converting ads, videos, and photo shoots in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to AdCreative.ai. Then here you can see this interface right here. Then simply tap on to try free for now, or even you can tap on to start free with Google. Here just tap on to start free with Google. Then you can log in using your full name, email address, password, or you can use Google account, or you can also sign up with Microsoft. For now I'm gonna use sign up with Google to make the process faster. Let me do it fast. Okay, so now I am logged into AdCreative.ai here, and you can enter full cardholder name, your card number, your date of birth and CVV, and your country. Then you have to tap on to start free trial for 7 days. Right from here you can pay with Visa card, Discover card, American Express card, also this one. Then after entering all the information, so you can just simply get started. So let me go back for now and let me show you another one. Wait. You can also tap on try free now from here. Then this is the process is also same. And you can scroll down. Many people use this. Over 300,000 people used it for businesses to boost ad conversations by up to 14x. Okay, let's tap on to accept. You can see some product videos right here. So these ones are really cool. Let me show you. You just have to enter your product picture and then it will generate your video. So let me show you. Here you can see this is the product that someone provided through AdCreative.ai, and then it really made a cool as you can see right here. Let me show you replay. Let's tap on to replay, and there we go. Let me show you some other creative examples. For example, I'm gonna tap onto this one. Okay, let's watch out these ads also. Now you can tap onto generate, and then you can generate product from here, like products ads from here. You can see these ads right here. You can also tap on to replay and watch it up again. You can tap on to generate ads. Let me see this one, creative scoring AI. You can score your ad creatives from here. But just simply import your product, then there we go. You can see the animated score here. You can scroll down and check out many other things. For example, here you can see these ads. You can just try them out. And let me also watch out this one. Let me see how it turns out. So there we go. This one is before and this one is after. Now let's check out their pricings. So there it is, their pricing. They offers 4 types of prices. 3 of them are fixed prices, and the last one is enterprise plan, like custom price, depending on your needs, that what type of services do you want. It depends on that. Now let's compare all of them. You can check out the starter plan, which is just $25 per month. You have to bill it annually. Let's check out what the offers. You can download 10 videos per month, 15 downloads, 2 brands. Okay, so check it out. You can download 10 videos, brand limit 1. You can check out all AI assets unlocked, and you will get many more services. For example, unlimited generations, text generator, AI, ad platform integrations, and many other things. And the total users of the starter plan is just 1. That means only 1 user can use it. And the next one is professional plans, which is $149 per month. And there you can see this one. You can use 15 downloads per month, like you can download all 50 videos or ads, you can say. You can download it per month. Brand limit is 3, like you can use 3 brands on this one. And all AI assets unlocked. And there you go, you can check out unlimited generations on this one, text generator AI. And total users of the professional plans is 10. So this is pretty impressive. This one is nice. Also, you can check out ultimate plans right from here, which is $359 per month, and you can save $22,888 with 5 months of free. Okay, so you can check them out. You can use pro features on it. And the total users of this one, like ultimate plan, is 25. Okay, that's good. Now lastly, on the custom price, you can just directly contact the sales team, and depending on your needs, they will provide you custom prices. With custom prices, for example, let's tap onto this one or this one. You can just choose them whether you want or not. Now let's go back. So basically, you can check out these ads were created by adcreative.ai. So that is pretty much impressive. So let's go back. And there you can see this discount offer, like you can get 25% off right here. You can check out these startup plans, professional plans, and all the other plans. On the yearly one, you have to bill it in advance for full year, and on the monthly subscription, you just have to pay for month per month on advance. So I would suggest to you, if you're using adcreative.ai for short time or want to use it for short time, just go with the monthly planning. And if you want it to go with for long time, you can check out the yearly offers and you can just buy them if you wish to. Also, there are some quarter 25% off. You can check them out. You can check out at creative.ai features. Right from here, you can check all these options. So take a look at here. You can use many types of ad using ad creatives, buyer persons, creative virtual estate, and many more. So that's it. And Creative Ad AI is really a powerful website to create ads without wasting any more time. Okay, like more time, you can just use it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and leave a comment below that what type of videos you want to see next, and check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Check them out. So that's it. Till then, take care, goodbye. See you on to another video.